Guys, if you don't know what to do with your corned beef after St. Patrick's Day, come on back and I'm going to show you how to make some wonderful corned beef hash. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm going to show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it. Why? So you get alerts on all what we're doing here. So, what are we doing here today? Guys, we're going to make some real corned beef hash. Not that stuff that comes in the can that looks like dog food that we all grew up on. And seriously, my mom loved that stuff. It was interesting, to say the least. And Mrs. CJ likes it too. My mom, Mrs. CJ, correlations, what's up? No, anyway. So, guys, I actually smoked some corned beef on my Pit Boss pellet smoker. I didn't film it, but it was just, I wanted to try it and do it. It turned out amazing. So what am I going to do with the leftover corned beef? We're going to make a wonderful corned beef hash, okay? So I have just some onions, some bell peppers. I've parboiled some potatoes, all right? Because those take the longest to cook. So I just cubed them up, let's try to keep them as uniform as possible. And then we put them on the stove. Like I said, parboil them. So if you boil them for 20 minutes, we did it for 10, okay? So it's real easy to do. But you want it not quite mashed potato style, but if you can put a fork in, you're pretty good. Drain those off, put them in a bowl. Now what we're gonna use is a little avocado oil to get everything kind of working together. We're gonna air crisp this at 390. I'm gonna set it for 20 minutes, but we're gonna check it every 5 minutes, stir it, check it, stir it, check it, until we get that consistency we want in there. That we want that nice fried, charred up, looking good stuff, all right? So that's it, real easy. Get you on the Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's make this happen, all right? Come on back. Okay, guys, let's get this Foodi Grill set up. Turn it on. Air crisp, 390. We're gonna do 20 minutes, which is already set. We'll start the preheating process. We're just using the pan in there. We're not using any attachments. We're not using the grill. So we have our bell peppers chopped up. Got onions already chopped up. Yes, I cheated. I bought them chopped up already. Potatoes are ready. Now we're gonna cube up this beautiful looking corned beef. So just run it through, looking for little 1/4 inch size chunks. Trying to keep it all as uniform as possible, but it doesn't have to be perfect. See, we're looking for like that. Okay. I'm gonna get this all cut up. We'll have a nice little pile of corned beef, and we'll start getting these potatoes working and the peppers. And all right, guys, we're ready to get this thing going. Preheated. We're gonna do a little avocado oil in there. We'll put our par-baked potatoes, our parboiled potatoes, our bell peppers, and our onions. Spread a little bit down on top of that avocado oil. We're gonna add a little of this garlic jalapeno rub. It's just like an all-purpose seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and little jalapeno rub. Just gonna add just a little twinge, a little extra flavor. I'm gonna dig it. Make sure everybody comes together. Give it one more spray. Right. We'll let these go for about 5 minutes, and then we'll add the corned beef to it. Okay, guys, 5 minutes in. Getting a little bit of color, looking good, but I'm gonna let it go 5 more minutes, and then we'll add the corned beef to it. Okay, guys, we got a little bit further along. It's looking pretty good. It's looking got a little crisp on there. Sounding right. Now let's add this corned beef to it. We're just gonna throw it in there. Just throw it in. Give it a little mix. Everybody's happy, everybody's feeling good. Getting in the sauna together here. All right, we're gonna go the last, 9 minutes or so. Okay guys, I gave it another 5 minutes. Total of 25 minutes in there, but come on, look at that. Potatoes nice and crispy. Oh, it's gorgeous, gorgeous. It's looking great. We got this done, it's looking good. I fried up a couple eggs, sunny side up, to put on top of this. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. All right, come on back for the taste test. All right, guys, here's the fruit of our labor. The thumbnail that you clicked on, I just took. Of course, I gotta have a little runny egg in there. You know, some people don't dig that, but I do. All right, so we got a little egg bite, little peppers, little that onion, little potato. Cheers. Oh, so good. Man, good. All right. I don't know if it was because I smoked that corned beef or just the seasonings I had in there, but oh man, that's amazing. That little bit of jalapeno rub I put in there too, just add that little spicy kick. Peppers, onions, potatoes, oh, you can't go wrong. This is awesome. I hope you guys do this after you have your corned beef and cabbage or whatever for St. Patrick's Day. That's it for this one, guys. Real easy. I'll put everything down below, the ingredients, the times, temps, all that stuff down below. If you guys want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, make sure you click that link down below. Hit show more underneath the video. It'll take you to all my affiliate links. If you want to get some Cooking with CJ merch, links down below. If you'd like to become a true member of CJ's crew, click on this link right here to my Patreon. It'll get you some behind the scenes stuff. We got little tiers in there that can get you certain levels and some good things happening. So check it out. Join up. Be part of CJ's crew for real. That's it for this week, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.